OptimizePress pages a little bit, and as we build our membership site and just sort of working on one of our customers here. So just quickly, what I want to do is filter off all of this, what I'm going to call stuff that's not necessary. We're only going to, this page is associated to a building number 2. So really all of this sort of other stuff here is not relevant. And what's happened is we've not ticked a box, so we just want to show you that box to start off with. So we go through a couple of little cleanups here, I'll call it, or attention to detail. It's all part of our constant improvement. So just waiting here. So let's pause maybe for a moment. Okay, now that this has come up, so we've just got to go into this edit area. You'll notice that we haven't got this tick here, so and what we're doing is, so we need that tick there. I haven't really gone into this yet, and we probably will add a description in here later on, but for now, and then we've got to insert that. Okay, and now we don't have any other pages underneath here yet, so that's actually what I'll call one step. Now we're going to go and move into adding some more pages into here. So I'm going to save and close that, and I'll just pause this again. Here we go. Now we've got to refresh this page. You'll find that a lot of this stuff's actually gone. Okay, so that's what we want. Now we want to actually, so I'm going to close that page and come back. I'm going to replicate another page that I've previously built. In fact, what I'll do is I'll go this way. So I'm going to have a look at our site map, which it makes life a lot easier to just sort of have a look at what all the pages are, and then I can go into finding which one I want. So what I'm looking for is that we've got a linked page already pre-built. Okay, well this is another one. So again, I'll just pause the video, but this page hasn't been ticked, that box hasn't been ticked yet, so I'm just going to go in and edit that while I'm here. I'll just pause for a moment, sorry. Yeah, just another little thing while I'm on this page. Now I've already gone through and edited that, but I also, because we've been building a standard for our clients, we've built a standard navigation bar as well. So I'm just going to come down in here and just actually add what I'll call the appropriate menu. So we want to use our JK menu. We'll update that. Now when our clients log into their portal, they'll have their dashboard. Okay, so there we go. So we'll just pause that again while that all does its refresh and everything. Okay, so what I'm doing here now is just going to show you how we're adding a hyperlink. So we know that this page is actually currently called this, and it's not going to go any deeper. So we're going to delete this, what we call membership level. And I'm going to insert a new component. For this particular case, we're going to add add an element, and I want to add a hyperlink, which is right. And what I've done over here is I've actually gone and grabbed what I'll call the relevant page, because as we go through and we're actually going to build this up, so I've got to paste that link in there. I'm going to open it in a new window, and I'm just trying to, so I'm going to review this page. So this is working within our team. Okay, I might make it a little bit fancy by changing the font and the size. I just like it, I like to make it a bit italic, so it makes it look like we're on a bit of a mission. That's it there. So I'll save and close that. Now I've got my settings here, got my setting there, settings there. But I've also, I'm going to call that, as I rename this now, okay, so now, so we'll be able to use a featured image in here later, but we're also going to make that 19 so that it actually runs in a sequential order later on. So I'll update that. Okay, so we'll go and view that page. And here we are here with our link, which should jump us open into a new tab, so we can start to actually replicate that page back into the other site. Alright, so I'll just close that one off, and thank you very much. I hope that sort of shows you how we've started to work on our membership site and start to build that up and just the different little components of OptimizePress. Okay, have a good one. All the best.